How to video call on WhatsApp on PC or laptop. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me go over it quick and easy and how you can video call on WhatsApp using your PC. Well, the first thing is you can either use the application or you can do it through WhatsApp web. If you want to get the application, you can head over to your Microsoft Store and search it for WhatsApp and install it and log in. If you're using WhatsApp web, you can head into web.whatsapp.com and log in. Then you can simply click on the chat option here and then open a certain chat that you would like to video call. Then you can see the video calling option, click on it. Now you can see the get the app option right here through the link. So you can get the app and install it. Once you have installed it, the next step is to simply proceed. Here you can see it's checking for system requirements and it's here on Microsoft Store. So let this get installed here for now. Click. Now as you can see, I have installed WhatsApp on my PC and I have logged in as well. You'll find the video call option and call option both. You can proceed to video call. Then you'll have to access for microphone and camera both. So you want to click on yes. Then it'll ask you to access for your camera as well. You can click on yes as well. Then the video call should be. This is how you can easily video call on WhatsApp on your laptop or PC. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.